Here is this Amana Cool Zone high efficiency. I'm pretty sure. This one's a nicer model, has the fancy push buttons on it. We'll fire the fan up on this first. The fan motor on this one apparently is going out. It's very noisy. It is also sloshing the water. Vent dampers in it are all knackered. There's no filter in this. It's a little shy of being a 6K. Or no, it's shy of being a 7K. It's high. Can't figure out how to stall the fan, but I'm gonna set this here and get the compressor to fire. There it goes, now it's chooching. I have one of these units, I just need to get it working. This is hooked up to a time switch up here, so it only runs small increments. Front grill's missing, so I'll just use some of this egg crate material. It's ice cold. And there's a look at it from over here. Maybe it does have a drain hole. I see a lot of water coming out of there. Here's the back side. This one doesn't have a grate on the back, which is odd. These normally do. Saw these all over the place growing up. There's still a good bit of them around. Let's see how close we can get up to this thing. Ugh. Can't see the compressor too well. Looks like a Tecumseh rotary. It's actually pretty quiet. It was also the first fire up of the day. This thing hasn't been running at all since yesterday night. It has a really nice sound to it. This one may be Matsushita. Really beautiful property. There's another unit over there. That's the Kenmore I filmed, 10,000. Property owners up there. Let's go ahead and stop filming and go back inside, but from here you can see the louvered fluorescent fixture in there. That just looks really cool. Already starting to feel good in here. It actually feels amazing. It's really It's really humid out there, and it wasn't before it's starting to be, because I don't remember it being that bad this morning. Well, thank you very much for watching, and keep the breeze.